To do this type of trend on Instagram or TikTok, open any editing application you have. I'm using CapCut. Now go to New Project and add your photo and a video. Now select Format 9:16. Adjust photo and video to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set the first video clip to 6.6 seconds and then the photo to 3 seconds. Now click on photo. Go to adjust and then turn down the saturation to -50. Now apply any animation to your photo. Choose any animation from your video editing application according to you. Now check your video and export.
Live my life as a thug, make up until the day I die.
Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.